Hi guys, I am Lisbeth and now you're watching To Excelling. Okay, we're going to make pivot tables and how we do it. But first off, I need you guys all your support on this video, on all this whole project. So I will be thankful if you guys do that because I don't download this table from internet, from browsing or something like that. I make this table. This Excel was made by myself 100%. Trust me. It's not a big deal, but it's a humble work and I just want to make my effort and put all my heart on it. So if you guys give all the love to this, thank you. And now we are going to start. Okay, this is our table. First off, we need to grab all this information. Scroll down, click on Insert, and then we are going to this icon called Pivot Table. We click on them and we choose all of this by default. Don't touch anywhere. No. Because if you are expert, this don't work today. Unless you are a perfect expert, do it. It's all your risk. Okay, we are going to grab all this information about, and we are looking this like that, but in my personal, I don't like it. So we are make some change because I think that these are hard to read even. Okay, we make first bachelor on filters, but we also put bachelors on values, but with a count of values. We make name and last name on rows and columns just like that, nothing. I graph all this information here and we have the total of students, their years, their name, last name, and we have the filter of bachelor. We don't have bachelor like so directly. What if we made another? No, I don't like it. Okay, we have the filter, and what if we make this from commerce? Okay, and we make this for senior students, and we actually have 3 students on their senior years from commerce. We grab all this information again, and then you have. Thank you for this. Thank you for watching.